All right, we are live, resuming the docket. The court is calling Lonnie Witherspoon. Case number SP 106-329, count 1, improper license, count 2 of that same ticket, no insurance, and count 3, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also, SP 106-32901, same defendant, driving 11 to 15 miles over the speed limit. Is Mr. Lonnie Witherspoon in the virtual courtroom?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Witherspoon, as I understand it, sir, these matters are being amended and or dismissed. For the record, I think for the purpose of the offer, Ms. Harris, I will ask you to put your appearance on the record.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Witherspoon.
Thank you. And Ms. Harris, how will we be proceeding with Mr. Witherspoon today?
Your Honor, it is my understanding that Mr. Witherspoon will be admitting responsibility on ticket SP 106-32901, which would be amended to speeding 6 to 10 miles per hour over the speed limit, with the remaining matters to be dismissed. And we would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis.
Thank you very much. All right, Mr. Witherspoon, because the misdemeanor offenses are being dismissed and you are pleading to a civil infraction, the court does not need, or you're not entitled to rather, the representation of an attorney. This was the date and time set for formal hearing on that matter, and the officer was here. The prosecutor has made you a reduced offer. Sir, I just need you to acknowledge that or to plead responsible to ticket number SP 106-32901, driving to the amended charge of 6 to 10 miles over the speed limit. On the date and the time indicated in that ticket, Mr. Witherspoon, were you driving in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
You were driving a motor vehicle and you stopped by a police officer, is that correct?
Yes.
Were you driving at the time, sir, 11 to 15 miles over the speed limit?
Yes.
All right, sir. The court will accept the responsible plea being satisfied with the factual basis. We will also accept the recommendation to amend that charge to driving 6 to 10 miles over the speed limit and dismiss the remaining matters previously read into the record. Madam Clerk, do you have a total for Mr. Witherspoon?
Yes, Your Honor, $135.
All right, sir, there are no mandatory fees or costs associated with that charge, but it is a reduced time to pay, 14 days to pay. Mr. Witherspoon, are you able to pay that $135 in 14 days?
No, I need 30 days.
All right, Mr. Witherspoon, are you employed, sir?
I sure am, but I have other obligations. So, I would pay the bill, but I need 30 days.
All right, so we'll give you 30 days to pay. Mr. Witherspoon, if you have no other questions, sir, you can disconnect.
I take it I can't get any more days?
No, sir. The 14 days is really what you're supposed to get. So we've given you 30 days. What do you do for a living, Mr. Witherspoon?
I make car seats for Lear Corporation.
Okay. You should be able to do this, sir, in 30 days.
I have other obligations, Your Honor. Y'all on the back burner. I mean, I have other stuff I have to do. So
Sorry, sir, you have to do the best you can. The court is leaving the live stream.